Alright class, today, you guys are doing a math test. Hey, Mr. Nicholas, can I go to the bathroom? Sure, but come back quick. I'm going to knock down the vending machine.
Oh my goodness, classic Caillou, how dare to knock down the vending machine, you know the machine costed us hundreds of dollars, that's it, go home right now.
Oh my god! Classic Caillou, how dare to knock down the vending machine. You know the vending machine costed them hundreds of dollars. That's it, you're grounded for 72 years. Go to your room, right now and never come out until I say so.
Oh my god.